In this video, we will show you how to do label measurements. In this case, we're doing a thyroid study. So I will scan myself here, the thyroid. Let me freeze here. Find that picture. Okay. So if I want to do label measurements of the thyroid, I will go to measurement key. Okay, and see what happens. When I click the measurement key, you will see there is a caliper over here. Okay. And the label measurements in this side of the monitor. Okay, so basically this caliper here is a free caliper. It's a generic caliper, so it doesn't have any name, so it's just a regular distance. As you can see here, it's a regular distance. Okay, but I want to use the label measurement package in the system so I can see at the end a report with all the measurements that I did in that study. Okay, so I want to do in this case right lobe of the thyroid. So what I will do, I have the caliper over here, okay, and I can do it two ways. I can come with the caliper over here and select thyroid, okay, and click set and select it. Okay, I think it's much better and faster if I have my caliper here to just click the left bottom here, the left set bottom. We call this the left menu key because when you click this bottom here, the machine will give you a cursor in this menu, so you can very fast select any of these label measurements. Okay, see, I will do it now. When I click here, I see my cursor is already there. See, I'm ready to select thyroid. Okay, let's say it was left. I can go here with the trackball, I can move it up and down, and I can select left. But in this case, it's right lobe of the thyroids. Okay, so I will click the set bottom. See what happens when I click the set bottom. The system opens that folder for the right lobe, and this is the sequence we have now in the system. We have AP, transverse, and sagittal. So the machine is asking me now to measure the right lobe of the thyroid in AP. Okay, so my caliper is here. I move it where I want to begin. Click set. Okay, move it down. Let's say it's over here, and I click set. And then the machine goes automatically to the next measurement, which is the transverse measurement of the lobe. So the caliper is already here, is free. I can go to the transverse, okay? And when I finish with that, I click set. So the machine now is asking me to the sagittal, which obviously is not here. So I need to take a picture of this. I go to the P1 key, I take a picture, save the picture now. And that picture is properly labeled because you can see right thyroid, AP, and transverse. So you need to write any annotation here. It's already here. So the machine is asking me for the sagittal measurement. Okay, so I will unfreeze. Okay, I will go live. I will find my left lobe. There. Click freeze. And at the moment I click freeze, you see the caliper is already here. Okay, I don't need to go to the measurement key because the machine is doing auto sequence. It's going from AP to transverse to sagittal. So the caliper is already there, so I can just move it to measure the length of the thyroid lobe in sagittal view. Okay, and when I click set, you will see the machine will also give me the right lobe volume, which is here. So the reason for using label measurements is then it's not only because you have the label, the annotation on the monitor that is easier for the radiologist to read. When you click P1, when you take a picture and the radiologist opens that picture, it will be easy for him to read that this measurement here was the right lobe for the thyroid in sagittal view. But also because when you go to the report page, then you will see all those measurements over here in the report. So I have right lobe, AP, transverse, and sagittal, and the volume. Actually, I did two measurements of the same structure, okay? And the machine will give you an average, okay? You can select, different ways to do this. You can actually come here with the cursor, and then you can click here. When I say click, is the right bottom, okay? Which is the only one that has a light. See? When I click there, the machine will open this menu where I can select if I want to do last measurement or average or maximum or minimum, okay? Usually we keep them average, okay? And this will be the average measurement here. So you will see right lobe, and then the left lobe, and then the isthmus, and then the nodules. So it will be a very easy to read report. If you want to take a picture of this report, to be seen along with all the images at the end of the study, you can just click the P1 key, okay, and then see what happens, P1, and then you see the picture of the report over here. So all these images will be sent to the PACS at the end of the study. Okay, thank you.